Good morning, class. In previous class, we have discussed about the why demand curve slope downward. Okay, demand curve का slope downward क्यों होता है? What is the reason? Today we will discuss about the exceptions to the law of demand. There are some exceptions on which law of demand is not applicable. Now you are well familiar with the word law of demand. What it states. तो बेटा law of demand कहाँ applicable नहीं होगा? So law of demand has some exceptions as well. There are some commodities whose demand expand with their price rises and contracts when their price falls. In such situation, the demand curve slope upward from left to right. Following are the notable exception of the law of demand. So, beta, the very first is article of distinction. So, according to Professor Veblen, there are certain goods which are article of social distinction. These articles are demanded only when their price is very high. If their prices fall, they will no longer be considered as article of distinction and their demand will shrink. Thus, these goods defy the law of demand. Precious diamonds and vintage car may be cited as an example. Okay, beta. So the very first article on which law of demand is not applicable is article of distinction, or in other language we can say precious stones or goods, which is of very high cost. Like if I talk about diamond, then whether the price of the diamond will increase or decrease, it is not going to affect the demand. Okay, प्राइस बढ़ रही है तो भी डिमांड पे इफेक्ट नहीं आएगा, प्राइस कम हो रही है तो भी डिमांड पे कोई इफेक्ट नहीं आएगा. Why? Because it is providing distinction in society. Okay, second exception to the law of demand is given goods. What are given goods? So these are the highly inferior goods showing a very negative income effect. As a result, when price of such commodity falls, their demand will also fall. Okay, it is a very common thing, but if given goods is given, it means low quality goods is given, and suppose your income is increasing. So what will happen when your income not income, if price of the product or given goods is increasing, then what will happen? People will stop its consumption. Okay, and they will switch towards the normal goods. क्लियर बेटा? ठीक है, तो जब गिवन गुड्स का प्राइस इंक्रीज हो रहा है तो पीपल क्या करेंगे? दे विल शिफ्ट टुवर्ड्स द गुड क्वालिटी ऑफ गुड. दैट इज व्हाई द लॉ ऑफ डिमांड इज नॉट एप्लीकेबल इन केस ऑफ गिवन गुड्स. Next is third exception is irrational judgment. Irrational judgment means people are judging the quality of the goods by its price. Okay, like a general tendency is, what if the price of the good is high, then the quality is better. Okay, so in this case, if people are making irrational judgment, in that case law of demand will not be applicable. Why? Because high cost product will be more demanded by the people. Okay beta, so these are the three exceptions of the law of demand. I hope it is clear to you. If you have any doubt, and then you can ask. Thank you so much.